So my name is Patricia González. I'm a director of Center of Marine Research at the University of Havana, and I'll speak a little bit about the works that we conduct with the Ocean Doctor. For us, in that case, for my organization, but also for myself too, the Ocean Doctor is really important in our life as a scientist. Basically, we start working with the Ocean Doctor and David Guggenheim by more than 10 years. And in the first time when we started collaboration was really successful because he and his organization put not just the encourage, the energy, but also the heart for this work. We together avoid many obstacles during these years, and all of our works have had a happy end. In my case, for example, the important part of financial support for my PhD was thanks to Ocean Doctor and David Guggenheim. And also other kind of works we conduct with them in my center, in Center of Marine Research, not just the work with coral reefs and management of these coral reefs, but also works with fishes, with economists, and other branch of marine biology, of marine sciences. He give us the financial support for many courses that our young people had out of Cuba. Again, in my case, for example, when I was really young, I had an opportunity to get a course of ecotoxicology, marine ecotoxicology in Bermudas, and other colleagues of here of Center have two courses with a very, very high level in biological station of Bermuda. And this is thanks to the efforts of David Guggenheim. And now I think that we go forward to more stronger relationship, but also more broader relationship, because now we start including other things that it is very important in a Cuban context, as for example evaluation of our coastal or natural resources in order to provide to our economists with a new tool in order to know exactly which is the value of our ecosystems, of our coastal zone, and provide also an alternative to the communities that live in our coastal zone. And each time, the other thing that I really appreciate of David Guggenheim and Ocean Doctor Jimena also too, it is that all time they think in new ways to help us. In that case, for example, they start, I think probably 1 year ago, give us and our library with these journals. This is science journal, and I think that probably in the University of Havana we are the unique library that have this important journal, that it is not only for us here in the center, but also for other colleagues in the University of Havana, because when we receive this journal, our librarians, they scanning the index of each journal and share this index with all libraries at the university. So we receive many scientists that are interested in one and two articles, and this contribute to the building capacity, not just in our center, as well as in all university. And some months ago, also they start bringing the National Geographic which is very important again, not just for us in our center, but as well as other schools at the university, as for example geography school, biology school, biochemistry school, and we appreciate really much this new step of our collaboration. But again, one of the most important things that I appreciate in this collaboration, it is that each time ever they think in a new ways to help us, not just with money or not just with equipment and with any kind of things that they can help in order to promote our sciences, but also our capacity building.